and welcome back to Hubgrass Meditation. My name is Ashley, and today we are doing a Mater-inspired self-love meditation. Mater has come highly requested, and if there's any other Disney characters you would like to specifically see a meditation about, comment down below. Let's get into it. When you're ready to begin, take a moment to find a comfortable position. You can be sitting, laying down, or however your body feels most supported. If you feel the need to wiggle or move around during this meditation, that is absolutely okay. And when you feel ready, gently close your eyes. And if that's not comfortable to you, soften your gaze or look down towards the tip of your nose. Taking a slow, deep breath in through the nose and a gentle breath out through the mouth. Again, breathing in through the nose and out through the mouth. Let your shoulders drop down away from the ears. Unstick your tongue from the roof of your mouth and relax all those muscles in your face. We're going to let our breath adjust back to how it feels naturally. No forcing it. And bring your attention here. Just noticing the inhale and the exhale. Nothing fancy, because there's really nothing fancy about this meditation at all. We're going to bring our focus to a familiar, friendly presence. Mater, like ta mater without the ta. And I know you immediately got a big smile on your face, because Mater is not trying to be anything other than exactly who he is. Mater doesn't try to impress anyone. He's a little rusty and a little crooked, maybe a little loud sometimes. And still, he is deeply loved. And as you breathe in, notice if there's any part of you that feels like it needs to be fixed. More perfect, more polished, more put together. And as you breathe out, let that pressure drift away. Mater reminds us you don't have to be the fastest. You don't have to be the most perfect. You don't have to have it all figured out. You just have to show up exactly as you are. To enjoy every dent or bruise, because those make you who you are. Taking a slow, deep breath in, imagine that same easy, accepting energy settles into your body. And as you breathe out, let your body relax into that feeling of being enough. And if your mind starts to wander, that's okay. Just like Mater might wander off mid-story, you can gently bring yourself back. No judgment, no frustration, just a soft return to your breath. There's nothing you need to prove in this moment, nothing you need to earn. You are allowed to take up space exactly as you are. Take one more slow, steady breath in through the nose and a full releasing breath out. And when you're ready, Gently bring awareness back to your body, maybe wiggling your fingers or toes, and slowly opening your eyes. And as you move back into your day, don't forget to take a little vitamin J with you, your daily dose of joy, exactly as you are.